Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just got this huge box from Trollbeads. It's huge. You guys want to see what's inside? I do. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe this is a huge box? I can't wait till I'm set up. So, doesn't look perfect in here, but let's open it. This is so exciting. And it's very well taped, so it's got to be something really awesome. Oops. I almost lost my necklaces. That's crazy. Can you imagine the mess that would have been? Let's see if we can open this. I think we got it. Holy. There's a lot of stuff in there. Like a whole lot of stuff. We have some goodies. We have a letter. And we have another book. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Jewelry design. Trollbeads. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the best day ever. Claus sent a note. I tried to protect the package as much as possible. I wish you a happy new year. From Trollbeads. Yeah. This is going to be fun. We have another book to go through. And what's in our package? Look at it all. This is fabulous. There's a lot. Let's pull it all out. This is a pretty amazing way to start off the week. What do you guys think? I didn't even do my nails. I'm sorry, guys. But I'm pretty stoked. And I don't have much of a voice. As you guys probably hear, it's pretty bad. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can find something to show you guys. Or I'll just keep going. Okay, I have a necklace. I've got a bracelet on me, so we'll use that. How's that? The first one I have, I'm gonna zoom in. The first one I have, where do we see? The baby troll bead. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. He's as cute as you can possibly get. Yep. Adorable. And angel number 3. This is special because Both of my babies were born on the 3rd. So I have 2 angel number 3. 2 reasons to have angel number 3. And that's my girlies. What can possibly get better than that? Oh, I was talking about this bead. This is the Mamma Mia bead. How beautiful is this bead? I hope you can see it. There's little green leaves in it. It's gorgeous. This is like the perfect thing. The babies for my grandbabies in my life. The angel for my 2 girls, which are my angels. And oh my goodness, this is stunning. First of all, this is because I have 2 girlies, and this pink bead is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes. I'm going to pop you right on here. And I think I'm going to totally get this wrong. I should really say the right names for that bead. Let me get that right. I'm still gonna blow it, so I can't say what this stone is, but it was absolutely gorgeous. And look, it's got a beautiful blue. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. It's a beautiful stone. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. And I'm gonna spend the day reading this amazing book. And then I'm gonna go through that book with you guys. So, thank you, Claus, for sending me this amazing book and getting it to me so fast. And with my beads, I am so thrilled. I have a chip here. I don't know what that's from. I think that was there before. I'm pretty sure. But I am so thrilled. I can hardly wait to read that book. And I'm gonna show you some pictures too. They'll be up right now. Okay, morning guys. This is gonna be a video for tonight. So we'll see you in a bit. So cute. Absolutely love this. Cherub number 3. It's got a 3 underneath. It's absolutely adorable, baby. And the Mamma Mia bead, which was a Mother's Day bead, I believe. So thrilled. This stone is just gorgeous. Thanks for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude. I really appreciate you tagging along. We'll talk to you soon. Subscribe and have an awesome day, guys.